what's going on, Mark.
You tell me now, how is it going so far?
Slippery. Very slippery. So, I have to tone back a little bit to get adjusted, proper adjusted. So hopefully now we can get back in, well, hopefully today I can get into A group so I can build on.
Alright.
It's a building process.
So you plan to run all events for the rest of the year?
Yes, yes. Result is what we're looking for soon.
First time navigating. Not bad, doing good so far.
I'm driving slow enough.
Not much.
How is it so far?
Alright so far. Very slippery, as usual, so we're just having some fun. Otherwise we're good.
Have fun, guys. It's hot. Yes, I have cool suit. That's crazy. Joel is out. Suspension failure, I think it was. The cold back left us on the ground. But me and Fraz are basically on the same segment. It's close. New Navi, lightweight, Jackie edition.
It's fast, it's loose, and we're having fun.
Yeah.
No up trucks, no. It's been a while.
I have them on a liquid diet. Good. Hot, very hot, but good so far. Car driving well, very consistent.
How is it reading notes though?
I'm not reading any notes, so it's going well.
That scare me more.
What's scary?
That scare me more than coming down the big hill here.
Yeah, but where's the scariest part is the left to go to the second tire.
Yes.
You have a gate post.
You have
two
the
gate posts.
You have the two iron gate
Yeah, one
posts.
there.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes,
You have to just be proper.
what's popping?
You tell me, man.
We weren't speaking to you, by the way. You didn't tape that, no, right?
I did.
We never did something about being scared. You know what I mean?
I heard it.
Tough guys. You know, nothing scares us. Nothing scares us.
How is it called?
Loose. Very loose. Just letting the car just hang on. As it turn in, it just loose. Can't complain. Though the car is running pretty good. No issues so far. Lots of big rocks on the stage though, like in the inside of the corner. Boulders.
Yeah.
That's where you want to be committed, you just have to check. But yeah.
Well, we paid the price there at one of those rocks.
Yeah,
We
I came to a corner and saw a rock, but I went around it. These guys hit it, so I paid the price.
We broke our rim and
BD Greg sponsors the rims, you know, so it's okay.
so we have so you're saying that we can break ribs. You rephrase that.
I mean, BD Greg doesn't sponsor.
I heard it. I have it on tape. BD Greg sponsors our rims.
BD Greg sells rims.
No. BD Greg sponsors rims. You heard that. So, hey, we're safe for the rims here, Peter.
We'll just mark up on the tire.
Well, first couple stages was close, and then there was a nice rock waiting for me
in the middle of the corner on stage 3, which didn't punch the tire, bent the rim, and was making some flat tire noise, a flat tire, so I was taking it easy to the finish. And that kind of put us out for a little bit, but we're still fighting. Alignment is kind of out of whack from the rock, but we're sorting it out now. And we're going to fight after lunch. Tuesday, I'm up to Washington, to Dirtfish headquarters for some testing. Fly down on Thursday with the team to Austin, Texas. Set up Friday. Practice, qualifying race Saturday at COTA, Circuit of the Americas in Rallycross. So finally stepping up and see what they can handle it. As of now, we're getting our feet wet for this year. We plan to do 2 at Texas, hopefully 1 in Quebec, and it will be same Dirtfish team, same car, and then hopefully pick up some sponsorship to run the next full year series. So we're gonna go over there, see how we stack up against that competition, and hopefully get them guys a run for their money.
Well, we're having a pretty good morning, I must say. The car was running probably the best it has run ever. Wasn't overheated, which is something it has never done. It has never run at its normal temperature, I think, since Harold had it. In stage 2, we came around a corner and came across 2 rather large stones in the middle of the corner. Adjusted my line to try to avoid them and ended up running wide and hitting another stone, a much larger stone. And it has done serious damage to the back of the car, so we can't continue. Kind of shame because we're doing really well and the car was running really good. I must say thanks to the JetCon team. The car was running really well. But rallying sucks. This is 2 years now and 2 retirements at this event. So I don't know.
If we not do it that way, one step at a time, one entrance at a time. Hey, as long as me enter, because I'm me alone, you know. 3, 2, 1, go, me alright.
Yeah.
I could have 3, I could have 50.
David, first time seeing you at a dirt event in a while.
Absolutely. No, hold on. Now, let me qualify that. This is the first time I've ever seen David at a rally that he's not entered in.
I think I can finally keep my cool.
So does this mean that we'll be seeing you maybe wetting your feet in sometime in the near future?
Oh, I don't know, no plans. Just out here enjoying it, and it's lovely. It's a fabulous day. The weather is perfect. I'm just looking forward to seeing some good driving. These guys, of course, awesome. So you never know. Maybe not be able to hold back. But,
Stephen, I know you wouldn't mind that, eh, Stephen?
I wouldn't mind that at all. But you see, I'm conflicted now because I'm with Timmy. So
miss Timmy being here today.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We're waiting on the car to come back from the UK.
But it definitely brings back memories. It's nice being out here and seeing some of the old faces. Everybody's still very much involved. Is awesome.
spark thing if you need it.
Yeah.
Very good. Say hi to the camera, Peter.
Huh?
Say hi. Yeah. Looks like this went, guys. Left front is Audi.
The left front?
Yeah, looks so. Alright, keep you guys updated. Front left tire. I don't know if it's a control arm or what. Yeah, just lost there and then went straight. Thank God it's to the mountain and not off the mountain. So I got it on video though. But we're all good, we're fine. I was looking to see if anything fell off because we're here turning and it just went straight.
Okay.
See how it kind of push back?
Right.
So push back and in, that's why I push myself. See? Look.
It was good. I finished. That was the aim. No risk. So it was a good fun day.
What are you planning for the rest of the year?
Same thing, just continue racing. No, nothing to do with the car, just drive.
So what happened to the 4-wheel drive rumours?
Waiting on them. It will happen eventually, maybe. Wait.
This is Keith Saunders and you're watching Mad Vision Production, the best in the business. Cheers.